Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On this video, I will be reviewing new product, new foundation from Revlon. So, if you are new on my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell button for you to be able to notify once I uploaded new videos, new reviews on beauty products. So, gagawin ko po ngayon is to review another product from Revlon. So, let's get into it. Re-review ko po ngayon ay yung bagong product ng Revlon. Foundation siya. It's Colorstay Full Cover Foundation. Ito po ang itsura niya. 30 ml ang laman niya. And it says here, full coverage foundation that lasts for up to 24 hours. No caking or fading. Lightweight and blends seamlessly. So I guess ideal po tong foundation na to for those people has oily skin. Since I have dry to normal skin, so we will still try to review this product kung anong result niya sa mga skin type ko. But again, this foundation is, I think, for me, ideally for oily skin. So I have here in the shade Natural Beige 220. Yup. Okay, titingnan po natin siya. 30 ml po ang laman niya. So, ito siya. Ay. Ayan guys. Parang ano siya, style mousse. Parang mousse ang dating niya. Parang very ano siya, yung concentrated yung formula niya. Hindi siya yung runny, kahit ano ko siya, hindi siya nagda-drop, hindi siya nagra-run down. Yeah, I didn't put anything on my face aside from moisturizer. Never forget to put moisturizer once you want to apply foundation kasi it serves again barrier sa mga harsh chemical. Aminin natin na talagang any foundation that we apply on our skin, on our face, talagang may mga harsh chemical siya. So guys, on my right side, I will apply primer para ma-compare natin kung alin bang mas magandang application, if it has primer or no primer, we'll see. So there you go. Concentrate po tayo sa mga may open pores tayo. So I have open pore here. So let's add. I'm using Revlon Photo Ready Perfecting Primer. Ilalagay ko po sa description box below yung mga product na ginamit ko po today. So again guys, I'm wearing eyeglasses. So we'll see kung ano yung effect din niya pagka kapag nagwe-wear tayo ng eyeglass. So there. So I will apply this foundation using my beauty blender. Yan. I'll start on the right side na may primer. I'll start on the right side which has primer. Sabi niya full coverage to. So I'll start here from chin upward. And I have my pimples here, so we'll see kung mako-cover niya. And you guys, while applying this, I noticed na talagang very lightweight siya. Hindi kagaya ng ibang foundation na once you apply it, you can feel the heavy. You can feel na mabigat siya sa face. But this one, is very lightweight siya. And easy to apply. I guarantee guys. Ang ganda siya. God. Don't forget your ears, your neck. So may difference ba? Nakita niyo yung difference, guys? Ito yung may ano guys ha, yung may primer. Ito yung wala. Maganda siya, no? May dewy effect siya. Sabi niya matte pero parang hindi naman siya ganun ka. Gusto ko siya so far. So let's try on the other side. So pag nag-a-apply tayo guys, kailangan outward and take time blending your foundation. So I have here my melasma. So let's see kung makapowder niya. Ears. Ang ear. Ayan. Yep. There you go, guys. So far, maganda yung foundation. Ang ganda niya talaga. Very lightweight siya. Parang wala lang. Kita nyo guys yung difference niya. Maganda siya. Kaya lang talagang kailangan mag-guard siya pag once you apply foundation, talagang you have to take time blending. Yan po ang sekreto ng foundation para maiwasan po ang cakey. Blend, blend, blend. Take time. Okay guys, so there you go. So I like this foundation. Very lightweight siya. Tapos pag once you apply it, you can really feel na very lightweight yung foundation na to. Hindi siya ganun kahirap i-blend. For me So yes. So, ang bilis niya rin mag-set. So, tingnan natin kung mag-transfer. Yeah, it transfer on my palm. But I guess it's normal naman na nagta-transfer siya kasi syempre liquid siya. So, let's let's sit on our face for around 2 to 3 minutes para po mag-set siya. Any foundation, kailangan talaga nating i-leave muna siya ng mga ganong katagal para mag-set sa ating face. So far so good. Yung coverage niya, it's okay. Kaya lang, sabi niya kasi full coverage, diba? Kaya lang hindi natakpan yung aking melasma here. So, yung aking pores, yan, natakpan niya. Maganda siya. So, but later on, since i-wear test ko to, kasi lalabas ako, mag-grocery ako, and then maglilinis ng bahay, magluluto. So, babalikan ko po kayo for more updates sa foundation na to. But before that, I will finish my look and I'll get back to you guys. I finished already my look, so I will update you more kung ano ang magiging result niya. But since I applied this for half an hour, so time check nga po tayo. Nakalimutan ko na naman po mag-time check. So it's 11:17. So I've been wearing this half an hour already. So later on, i-update ko po kayo more on this foundation. But so far so good. Seamless finish siya. Very lightweight po siya. I really love it. Maganda po siya. Maganda po yung foundation na yan. So ganun naman po talaga eh. So for me, based on my experience, malalaman mong maganda ang foundation kung lightweight siya from the very start you applied it on your face. Kasi may foundation na once you applied it, once your face covered with foundation, you can feel already kung heavy ba siya sa face natin or lightweight siya sa face natin. So, for my experience, sa mga foundation na nagamit ko, sa na-apply ko, isa siya sa mga very lightweight na foundation. So, again guys, it has 16 shades. So, make sure you get the closest shades on your skin tone. So, ang tip ko po sa inyo guys, sa pagpili ng right shade sa foundation, gamitin po ninyo, kumuha po kayo ng small amount, gamitin po ninyo from your face down to your neck. So, whichever na closest to your skin tone, yun po ang kunin nyo. Not too light, not too dark. Yun po ang perfect na shade para sa inyo. So, there you go guys. So, later on, I will update you more sa foundation na to. So, see you later. So, the time is, okay, time is 5:45. So, I've been wearing this foundation for almost 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 6 hours and a half ko na po siyang ginagamit na nasa face ko. So far, so good po siya. It's really good. Really good po siya. Ayan, I don't see any cakey, any fading. Babalik po ako mamaya for final update sa foundation na to. So, yeah, we'll see you again later. Hi guys, update po tayo sa foundation. Time check tayo. It's 10:06 na po ng gabi. So, I've been wearing this foundation for almost 12 hours. But, I noticed po na nag-fade na yung foundation. Yeah. So, yung pimples ko, na-emphasize na siya. Yung melasma ko, nakita na siya. And then, cakey, yeah. I have here under my eyes. Yeah. Under my eyes. Tapos, yung pimples, nakita na siya. And some of my pores. And then, cakey sa nose. Na siya sa my forehead, nag-cake na rin siya dito sa eyebrow. Ayan, nag-cake na siya. Ayan. cake na siya. Namumuo na siya. So, I don't think na gampanan niya yung sinasabi niyang no caking or fading, kasi hindi nangyari yon. So nag-cake nga siya sa akin. Hindi pa ako oily skin yan. How much more kung oily skin pa, dito ba? Dry to normal pa yung skin type ko niyan. So that's it guys. So I don't like it. I don't think I can wear this during summer, kasi ang weather po ngayon dito sa Australia is spring, so hindi siya ganun kalamig, hindi siya ganun kainit. So how much more kung summer pa po siya. So ang tendency niya pag summer, yung magsusweat tayo a lot. So pag ganun ang nangyari, so ang tendency yung foundation natin is magki-cake siya, mamumuo yan siya, mabilis mag-fade ang foundation. So I don't think this is good for oily skin, kasi yun ang number one kalaban pag oily skin ang isang tao. Ang skin pag oily skin ka, number one na kalaban yan, number one na magiging problema niyan is cakey. Yun, tapos mag-fade siya. So yeah, for me, I don't like it. Siguro kung halimbawa winter, pwede siya. Pero pagka mag-summer or spring, yeah, pagka autumn, pwede pa rin siya. Pwede ko siyang gamitin kasi hindi siya ganun kainit. So yeah, that's it guys. So maybe I should give this foundation 6 stars, 6 out of 10. I give this foundation 6 out of 10. So yeah, so yeah, that's it guys for today. So I hope you enjoy watching and it helps you decide whether you want to use this foundation or purchase this foundation. So you have idea already how does it works on dry to normal skin. So why not try this one for yourself to find out as well. It might works on your skin type maybe, but on my skin type it works, but it didn't last that long. So thank you for watching. See you next time on my next video. Bye.